A major storm hits and you're hit with hail, wind, and possibly even some fallen tree branches. And you're left to wonder, is this going to be enough damage for my insurance to cover it? In this video we will go over what insurance should cover and what they won't. That way you can save time and money by doing the right thing for your home. So as far as what damages the insurance company owes for during a loss or after a loss is wind damaged shingles, creased shingles, missing shingles, any hail damages on the roof, including box vents, gutters, downspouts. The items that they do not owe for is any wear and tear. So if all the granulars are shedded off the shingles, they don't owe for that. Any leaks due to a lack of maintenance, they won't cover that. They don't owe for that. I know a lot of times, at least in my experience, if a homeowner has a leak, oftentimes they may think, well, hey, I'm going to get my homeowner's insurance involved, and that's not always the best case because, again, the insurance company does not owe for a lack of maintenance. A lot of common mistakes that I've seen homeowners make when filing a claim is filing a claim just based off of a lack of maintenance, whether it's a random leak that pops up on a 20 or 25-year-old roof, or they know they need a new roof, so anytime a windstorm comes through, they're filing a claim hoping that something comes out of it. Because the downside to that, if you file a claim over and over again and it's not a valid claim, then you have the risk of your premium rates increasing or your insurance being dropped completely. So that's why it's just so important getting a qualified roofing contractor out there to verify that you have enough damage, that it isn't just due to a lack of maintenance. That way we can gather our information, photos, so on and so forth, and have the proper documentation in place prior to filing that claim. And on top of that, a lot of these roofing contractors, including us, will come out to your house for free and do that inspection, take those photos, get the proper documentation in place, come down off the roof, show you exactly what we saw when we were up there, and let you know if it is indeed worth filing a claim for. So I wouldn't jump the gun on filing a claim unless it is clear and obvious. I would just make sure that you get a qualified roofing contractor out there. I have seen quite a few roof claims get denied in our area, and the reason is for that, at least based off my recent experience, is just claims that are being filed without a roofer being out there first to verify whether or not it is claim worthy. So recently I've had a couple claims that have just been filed due to a lack of maintenance prior to me coming out there and looking at the damages. There's also been some cases where a claim has been filed and I go out there and there's only one or two missing shingles, and it's a newer shingle, so that's something that where that repair isn't going to meet that deductible. So at the end of the day, it's not worth filing that claim for. So those are just some of the common things that I've been running into recently. So one thing to keep in mind in Indiana as far as insurance goes is it's not a matching state. So whereas a lot of our surrounding states are matching states, so what that means is all the insurance owes for is something that closely resembles that shingle color, that siding color, whereas in surrounding states they require a full and complete match of that shingle color wise. So that's just one thing to keep in mind throughout that insurance claim process.
If your home is in need of an honest and detailed inspection from a trusted roofing contractor, please give Hoel Roofing a call at 765-561-4023, or you can visit us at our website, hoelrr.com.